That fence up there is 120 yards away with rangefinder, because I rangefindered that last time I come. And look at the picture with that 300mm IR, it's incredible, mate. Isn't it? It's incredible, that pump.
Yeah.
Definitely. Look at it going across field. It's unreal. Look at it go. That's some distance now, mate, without. Unbelievable.
Well, that's fully wound in, that.
Yeah, that's with full screen, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's just gone out to probably 150, 160 yards further over here.
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah. That's it. Oh, right shot.
Good hoped.
That's that 300mm IR, that new one.
From Night Hunter. Another one bite to dust. Seen edges jumping about. Fucking hell, he jumped. Fucking bitch. Almost fucking squeaked on it. That go.
It's a noise.
Yeah, I've got him, yeah.
It's weird.
Lovely. Should work for it.
Sony camcorder with that 300mm IR, the Night Hunters. It's a right IR, this. Get a picture on that. It's incredible.
Nice and clear. Seat fair on its back.
Yep.
Sit still. You were pressing against my fucking stomach, the gun. Oh, the bastard.
Almost picking bits up in there.
I'm having next go. Leaving it on.
Oh, straight through here. Nice shot, man.
Stretched it out too much, didn't I?
That's incredible footage, that.
Give him
That
one for good luck.
Fantastic. Eh?
Give him one for good luck.
Bumps, ain't matter. Look at it. Dude, it's drowned and it's sunken. Good that, mate. Right, good. Oh, straight through the ear. He went straight through the ear.
How did he fucking move from that?
I don't know. Oh, straight up. Nice shot, Mark.
Another one.
Yeah.
One.
That laser's
Two.
really, really good.
3 we've had here now, that it was on that.
Yeah.
That little spot.
Oh,
So,
there's a good distance in. There's a good distance. Look at size of him. Bloody hell. He's coming this way. Oh, great shot.
he's big and he's dead.
Big, yeah. No,
Get
it's
out.
a right shot. Straight in crust that, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing breakdance now.
Should we give him one more? I don't think he needs it, does
I
he?
don't need it. He's down.
Mhm.
Done it.
Lovely.
You're very big in him.
Mhm. Look at that beauty. So we call a nice little fat rat.
That's one monster, that.